Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.